front of me is Samsung Galaxy A16 and today I would like to show you how you can change font size. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Display section over here. Now scroll again, choose font size and style, and when you're ready, operate this slider under font size to adjust it. Check out Preview at the top and go back. As you can see, after a few seconds, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!